Y'all gotta excuse me today because it's chill day. But I wanted to go over something with you guys because I've had a ton of questions about some of the inspections that I do and how I submit them and what programs I use. And, there's so many different companies that I only work for a few companies, but each company uses their own program. However, for two companies, I pretty much use the same program because I can create a narrative that fits with my inspections. And these are generally for only insurance inspections, okay? So I use the same app to input all of my information so I can come up with, so I don't have to write all the stuff that they are wanting. So I use a professional format so that I can, just input my data and it creates this beautiful professional report that I can submit. So basically, I start off with using an app called Forms on Fire. And these are forms that another company has built that I have access to so that I can work with other companies and create the same type of reports. Now, some of these icons here are report specific, but anything that's not report specific, I can just hit right there and hit Premiere Report. And then it brings up, let me back that out a little bit, and then it brings up a survey questionnaire that you can just go in and just click your responses based on what type of property you're at. And once you've gone through this here, you've gone through all of these steps and you've answered all the questions. You go down here to the bottom. Let me get to the bottom because you're answering like mechanical issues. Is there any mechanical issues? Are there any roofing issues? Plumbing issues? What year the plumbing was updated? All of these things that are necessary for an insurance inspection. I'm trying to clear this up. But anything that's necessary for an insurance inspection is included in this report. So once I answer all of these questions, let me get down to the bottom. I can go right down here and hit that. Yes, I'm ready to send it and then hit submit. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. All right, so right here we have the same app, but it's on a website format for Forms on Fire. So what I'm going to do is export the data, and what it's going to do is create me a Word document that creates a full report of everything that I input, everything that I need for an insurance inspection, right? So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to basically copy and paste everything that applies to these descriptions that's on the company's website. So I'm going to take certain parts of here, certain parts on that Word document and just paste it right into the company's form so that I don't have to, I don't have to write anything. Everything is written for me based on what I input into that app. So as you can see, I'm still copying and pasting here public and private protection information that they want information on. So as you can see right there, I just pasted that in, and this is all the information that I pasted in from that Word document. I didn't have to write a single word. So now what I'm going to do is all I'm going to do is basically I've gone through all these reports, and so now I am submitting them to QA. So submit to QA so that I can get paid, right? And so once everything is done, see, I'm submitting to QA, and once I am all the way done, this is what I have left. Now my queue is completely empty. But I did get a return to sender on one of those jobs, so it is what it is.